In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Passkey on Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting off by opening up Facebook, and I'm just waiting for it to load up properly. Once I'm in, I'm going to head over to my profile, so I'll tap on my profile picture or my name to get into my account page. Now that I'm on my profile, I'm going to look for the settings area, so from here I'll tap on settings and privacy, and once that opens up, I'll just pause for a second while the options expand. Now I'm going to tap on see more in account center, because that's where Facebook keeps the more detailed account settings. Alright, now that I'm inside the account center, I'm looking for the section labeled account settings. I'll tap into that and it should take me to another set of options related to my account. From here, I'm going to find and tap on password and security, since that's where passkey options are located. Once that loads, I'm scanning through the options until I see passkey, and I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now I'm inside the passkey setup screen and I can see the option to create one, so I'll tap on create passkey and it may take a second to respond. At this point, I'm prompted again to confirm, so I'll tap create passkey one more time to proceed. Now it's asking me to select an account, so I'll choose the account I want to use for this passkey. I'll tap on it, and once that's selected, I'll move forward. Now, I'll tap on continue, and the setup process should complete from here. I'm just giving it a moment as it finishes, and once that's done, the passkey should now be enabled for my Facebook account. And that's it, everything is set up. The process is pretty straightforward once you know where to go, and now your account has an extra layer of security with the passkey enabled.